YouTube fam, what's going on? A real quick video here. Just wanted to let you know a few things. That steel plate on the back, I believe it's steel or some type of hard plastic. I don't know what it is. You see it looks all gray. No one's ever documented this before, but the actual plate itself is a double layer plate. And you can see the screen is the black, and that little plate on the back, I don't know what the material is. It's probably plastic. It helps support the screen. And this is something I've never seen on the 65 or the 55, and I don't think it has it, because one of the complaints I had of the 65 and the 55, it was very flimsy feeling, and everybody's afraid to touch it, when installing it, because it just seems like it would snap. Of course, I don't think anyone's ever been that stupid enough to be that heavy-handed to do that, but I'm sure there is somebody out there. So that's one thing I wanted to share with you. These bigger screens, they put a plate on the back there for support, which is kind of cool. See here, another thing is I use these two. These did not come with the TV. These two little plates here, these came off of a smaller wall mount upstairs that I used to actually use these to help lift the screen off the box here, whatever. I use the box as support, and I stuff the box with the installation, what do you call it, the styrofoam stuff, and then you just basically could lay it down flat there so you could work on it. And why would I need to work on it? Because 99% of my TVs, if anyone's ever seen my older videos, is I usually replace the power cord. And if you look at the power cord here, that is the 99-cent one they give you with this thing, which has no shielding, no RMF, EMF type of shielding on it. That's why they put that ferrite cord there, by the way, which is that round thing, to help shield the TV from electromagnetic interference and all that kind of stuff. But I take that off immediately, and I replace it with this company here, with this IGot audio. I'll give my boy a plug real quick. And what I basically do is just modify the clip there. That's the clip that comes with it does not come with anything. You have to order it from LG. And then you basically do your own soldering on the new cord to replace the old cord, which is this right here, and it comes out of the back. And it's very simple unplugging. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't try it. So the little disclaimer there, once again, if you don't know what you're doing, don't try it. And actually it does help the picture quite a bit with this particular cable, because it's made out of 100% silver as opposed to copper. And anybody who knows about electricity knows what that does for shielding and basically a nice sound electrical signal going into your TV set. So it's equivalent to going out and buying like a $1,000 line, what do you call it, not surge protector, but the filter, line filter, or some of those regenerators, basically to regenerate electricity, the real expensive ones you see on high-end stereos. But yeah, it's just a fun thing I like to do. I already had the cord anyway, why not? And like I said, you get a small 5% boost in brightness, and also the TV looks a lot more cleaner, especially with lower end SD content and stuff like that. So it just looks a little bit cleaner. I've had a couple of you guys do it out there. One guy did it for his A1E, I know that for a fact if you look at my older videos. And I know one guy did it for his, what was it? They did it for anyone that was, some of the TVs unplug automatically, from the back themselves. You don't have to do any modifications. So any TV that I had before that was that, I think there's maybe 5 or 6 of you guys that actually did go through it that I know of, and actually did get this from Rick at IGot Audio. So a little plug for him, and that's it, guys. We're gonna get this thing set up. I already tested for uniformity. I tested for pixels, any type of dead pixels, and I tested for banding, and the screen is super clean. So just gonna go ahead and finish up and let you guys take a look at it in the near future here. You guys have a good weekend.